In our mathematics class of class 10, topic is arithmetic progression, and the important question of exercise 5.3, that is question number 11, and the question is, if the sum of first n term of a p is 4n is minus n square, what is the first term s1 and what is the sum of the first two term and what is the second term? Similarly, find third term, 10th term and nth term. So, write sum of n term can be written as denoted by Sn. So, Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. The question first is, what is the first term, that is S1. So, we have to put n is equal to 1, put n is equal to 1. This implies that S1 is equal to, for in place of n we have to put n is equal to 1 minus 1 square. This is 4 into 1 4, 1 chi square, that is 1, which is also equal to 3. And now we have to put again n is equal to 2. So, S2 is equal to 4 into in place of n2 minus 2 square, that is 4 into 2, which is equal to 8 minus 4, this is equal to 4. So, second term we have to find, therefore A2 is equal to S2 minus S1, that is 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. And in this case, if sum of n term is given and we have to find nth term, so we can use the formula, that is, if sum of n term is given and find nth term, that is an, so our formula is, that is an is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. In this formula we have to find nth term, that is an. So, now Sn is equal to 4n minus n square 1, this is equation 1, and now this is equation 2. So, from equation 1, that is Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. Now we have to put n is equal to n minus 1, put n is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, yes, n minus 1 is equal to, in place of n we have to put n minus 1. Now here, that is an minus 1 ka whole square. So, multiply 4 both 4n minus 4, and now use the formula a minus b ka whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now n square minus 2n plus 1. Open the bracket, 4n minus 4 minus n square minus that taken plus 2n and plus minus, that is minus 1. So, it can also be written as 4n plus 2n, that is 6n minus n square minus 4 and minus 1, that is 5. This is the equation number 3. Now, we have to use equation 1 and equation 3 in equation 2. Now, using equation 1 and equation 3 in equation 2, we get, look here, that is an is equal to Sn, that is 4n minus n square minus in bracket 6n minus n square minus 5, 6n minus n square minus 5, and this can also be written as 4n minus n square minus 6n minus n minus, that is plus n square minus minus, that is plus 5. So, cancel n square plus n square minus, this can be written as 5 minus 2n, this is an. And now our question is, find third term 10th and nth term. So this is nth term. Again we have to find third term. So this is equation 4. Now we have to put n is equal to 3. So a3 is equal to 5 in equation 4. a3 is equal to 5 minus 2 into 3, that is 5 minus 6 minus 1. n is equal to 10. Put again n is equal to 10 in equation 4. This implies that a10 is equal to 5 minus 2 into 10, that is 5 minus 20, which is minus 15. So this is one of the important question. If sum of first n term is given and we have to find nth term, so we can use the formula an is equal to, that is nth term, an is equal to Sn minus 1, and now we have to use this formula. We have to find the given questions, that is a3 minus 1, n is equal to 10, a10 minus 15, and an 5 minus 2n. This is our answer. Thank you.